Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And today in this video we will check together Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin for the daily, everyday, a new video here from Biti, from Bitcoin Trading Informant. And yes, today we have the 5th of March, and yes, here is Bitcoin momently on 47,400. It's going down here with 3.4% in the minus, and on the 7 days we have a light upgoing Bitcoin with 2% in the plus. Ethereum's going down with 5% for the daily, and for the 7 days you can see it 0.46%, so it's going sideways Ethereum momently. And ADA going down 5.8%, Binance Coin going down 7%, Polkadot going down 9%, XRP is going up here with 2%, Uniswap going down 3%, Litecoin going down with 5.6%, Chainlink is going down also 8.4%. So you can see the big coins here are going down very quickly. Bitcoin Cash is momentarily on place 11, is going down with 5.5%. And here you can see very interesting, Stellar is not on place 11 anymore, it's on place 12 here, going down 4.5%, and very, very interesting here. Doge is going down also, and all big coins here are going down for the moment. For the day, only XRP is going up a little bit. Okay guys, what's going on with TradingView, the quick TA here for Bitcoin? The daily here is telling us buy that Bitcoin. The daily is telling us we are neutral. No buy, no sell, we are neutral. The 4 hour is telling us sell and strong sell that Bitcoin. The 1 hourly is telling us sell and strong sell. So interesting. On 4 hours, sell and strong sell. On the daily, we are neutral. So all in all, a bearish sign for Bitcoin for the next hours here. Now let's go directly into the chart. Guys, here is the 1 hour chart for Bitcoin versus US dollar. And you can see it on the 1 hour chart. We are here as expected yesterday, especially here, as I told you here, we are on the 46,600. That's this line, that's this big line, this red line here. This momently a support. A support is normally green, but guys, we are here on the Fibonacci, and you can see we are momently on the 0.236 Fibonacci. 46,600 is our big support for the moment. I told you that yesterday. This is maybe a good point to buy in. This is maybe a good point for the bottom, and I bought in on 46,600 with Bitcoin. I have a stop loss for Bitcoin here under this spike here for 46,300, maybe 46,200 is the stop loss, and I set my stop loss on 45,900, so I have some spikes here to go down. Maybe I will set my stop loss now to this point, 46,300, because it's that low here, and if you're spiking under this low, my stop loss will sell me out here. But for the moment, I'm in a profit. 46,000 was the buy-in. We are on 47,400. It's going up here a little bit, and it's very important here, guys. We have here, if you're zooming in the Bitcoin, we have here a resistance. You can see it here. That's this line here. That's a big resistance momently for Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, and the resistance is red, and the price for this resistance momently 47,500. So guys, 47,500 the resistance. Bitcoin must fight over this resistance, and you can see it, what's coming from the upside on the 1 hour chart. Here is the big MA21. It's coming from the upside. It's also a resistance. The EMA 200 is coming from the upside, also resistance, and here the red ribbon band also coming from the upside. And we have here, you can see it, a short signal here, guys, on the 1 hour chart. This is a short signal, very important momently. This is short. Yes, why? You can see the ribbon band is red. Here it was green, it was bullish. Now it is red, and red means we can short the Bitcoin. But also I bought here on this 46,600 because of this very nice support here with this Fibonacci line here. And yes, guys, what's about the next thing? Here to the downside we have the MACD. You can see it's momently bullish. The blue line crossed the brown line. It's going up here, and that's a good thing for us, because a bullish MACD on the 1 hour chart is every time a very nice thing. You can see it here. The blue line was under the brown line from this point here and the crossing of the blue on the brown line and the blue line is always a good point to sell, guys, if you are on the 1 hour chart. So the blue line was on all time here under the brown line, and now it crossed. That's maybe a sign for building a bottom here on 46,600 on our big support for the Fibonacci line, and maybe it's going up from here. We have over our heads the big resistances for sure, and we have this red line for sure. Okay, guys, let's go a little bit deeper. Let's go in the 15-minute chart. Let's take a look about this. And the 15-minute chart here is looking like this. Let's remove all drawings here. Let's turn off the ribbon band and let's take a clear view here on the chart. Also, the ribbon band, let's turn it off. And guys, very important now for a clear view. For the first thing, we make a parallel channel from the upside to the downside. This was the high. This was also a high. But for me, important momently, this to this. This is our downtrend channel. And in the 15-minute chart, you can see it now, guys. The downtrend channel is always red for sure. And we are, you can see it on the middle line now of the downtrend. And guys, you know what it means. This is bearish. As long as we are under the middle line of the downtrend, it's a bearish sign here. So for sure, we have a lot of resistance here with our big resistance from here to here. I showed you big resistance. For sure, we have also the resistance of the middle line here, and that's for me a bearish sign momently. If we can't go over this resistance, if we can't go over this middle line, I would sell here. I would take my profit here from 46 to 47,600, and I would take this $1,000 per Bitcoin profit in the trade if we can't go over these lines. When is the perfect point to go out now, guys? I can show you. We are momently on the 15-minute chart here in an uptrend. The uptrend is from here to this. The uptrend is always a green one, so like this. Guys, if we bought on 46,600, or if someone else bought on 46,600, it was about this line here. This is momently our support line, and the perfect place now to go out. It's not so a problem to tell you, because we have an uptrend in the 15-minute chart from here to here and to here. This is our uptrend. We are momently perfect in this uptrend. We are over the middle line of the uptrend. Everything is fine, guys. When will I go out? For the first thing, I would like to see 47,600. That's the target here. That's the resistance. And if we can't go over this and we are spiking down again, it's the point for me to go out. If we can check it in the 5-minute chart, it's easier to tell you. Most guys are asking me, Biti, you're long since 46,600. Okay, but when is the best moment to take profit? And for me, if I would take the profit, I would take a line from here to here. This is a very nice uptrend line. And if we break this line here, I will take my profit. It's very likely to come down here like this, testing the middle line again and going up like this. But I am trading these channels here, and I'm trading my this Bitcoin here with not so much profit. I would like to take the profit better on this point here as on this point. As you can see, here is 47,200, here is 47,300. And if we are going under 47,300, I will take a stop loss and take the profit here, because this is so a big resistance here. So guys, not so hard to tell you where to take profit in a thing. If you would like to make a short-term trade like this, like I made this entry 46,600, then it's going up very nice in this channel. Here is my uptrend, and if you're breaking this uptrend, I take my profit here. And if we are bouncing up again, it doesn't matter. I have my little profit, and I'm very happy for this. This is how to trade these short things here, how to trade for the short term and not for the long term, guys. If you would like to trade for the long term, I think 46,600 is a good entry. Maybe we will retest here this middle line again. Maybe we will test this line again, 47,100. You can also set a stop loss under 47,000 uh, 100 or 47,000, 50 maybe. So you have a stop loss under this middle line, and you are also in a profit if you would like to make a long term. And I think it's not so a bad long term entry here. But it doesn't matter if you are taking profit now here on 47,300 or here on 47,100. You are always in profit, and that's very important to trade, guys. We need to make profit and not losses. That's so important here. So, and for the bigger time frame, guys, we are in the 5-minute chart, in the 50-minute chart, we had the 1 hour chart. For the bigger time frame, on the 4-hour chart, let's take a look about this. We are here on the 4-hour chart. Yes, you can see it here. We have to remove all drawings. You can see it here. It's looking like this, and it's possible for me, if I see here the 4-hour chart, that maybe we are forming a shoulder head shoulder. It's possible, guys. Let's take a look about this. Maybe, let me show you something. Maybe this is a shoulder, maybe this is a head, and maybe we are forming here a shoulder. Okay, guys, if that is possible, this shoulder head shoulder maybe have a bottom line like this. Okay, so a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, and a bottom line like this. So, guys, the longest point here to the upside here to this bottom line, and to the downside with the line, this is our target if we are breaking this shoulder head shoulder to the downside. We need a confirmed breakout, and the target here is for breaking down this shoulder head shoulder, guys. It's frightening. It's a frightening target, but take a look at this. It's 27,000. I don't. Yes, no, guys. I know. Terrible target. I know that, but that's only the target if this shoulder head shoulder will work out to the downside. We have a technical target for this shoulder head shoulder pattern on 27,000. That's very important. What is a confirmed breakout? I have also a video out there with a confirmed breakout, guys, but I will show you here very quick what is a confirmed breakout. If these candles are going down like this, let me make this candle here with a thin line. So, okay, and the down going is always red, but it doesn't matter here. We make it yellow so you can see what I mean. If the candles are going down like this, testing this bottom line, everything is okay. It always can go up again to the upside, and it can also go to the downside again, and so on and so on. So if we are retesting this, everything is fine. It's not a breakout. That's the easiest thing for sure. If we are with a candle, if we are going down like this here with the candle, and the candle is not closing under this line, under this bottom line, and it's spiking up again, it's not a confirmed breakout, guys. That's not a confirmed breakout. But if the candle here is closing on the downside, and with closing, I mean the whole body must close, not only the spike to the downside, like here the spike. We need this body, this full body, closing under this bottom line. And we are momentarily on the 4-hour chart. Best thing is always to see a closing on the 4-hour chart. You can watch it on the 1-hour chart also. Then we need here on the 1-hour chart a closing candle on the 1-hour chart to this side, to the downside. And if we have a closing candle, then it is a confirmed breakout. Maybe, and the most times it's so that this closing candle is going up the next candle like this, and making a retest of this baseline, and then the next line is going down, and that's our breakout. So, two things for a confirmed breakout. The first thing, the candle must close under the baseline. The second thing, and that's the best thing, it's going up again, it's retesting this baseline, and then it's going down. That's a perfect point for a short position. So guys, keep that in mind. If we are going under this baseline, the baseline is momently here on 44,400. If we are going under 44,400, we need a confirmed breakout, a confirmed break through this baseline, and then it's maybe a good short position here to short Bitcoin for the long term to 26,000 2900 or 27,000. That would be a very, very, very big short here and a very profitable short. I'm not telling you guys we are going down here to 27,000, but it's a possible breakout target for this shoulder head shoulder. Let me show you one thing again. Where are the big supports? If we're going down here like this, if this is a shoulder head shoulder and we are breaking this bottom line here, what's going on? What's the next big support? The next big support is this point here. That's about let me check it. Here is the price target. That's about 42,000. You know, guys, a support is every time green, and 42,600. A lot of guys are telling me it's important. 42,600 or 42,500 is a big support. Why it is, guys? It's very, very, very easy to tell you. I'm making this support bigger because it's so important support here. Let me show you why this is so interesting support here. Guys, you see it here. We had a high on this point. This point was on 46,600. This point. We also fighted here this resistance and we retested it again. Oh, sorry. So, no. It's not working so good here, Biti. So it's better. Okay, guys, here we spiked through, we closed the candle over this, retested it again. So a confirmation for our support. And the next thing here, we had a spike down to this. And I would like to see to this time here the 42,500, and I would had a buy position here, but you can see it, guys. Bitcoin spiked not through this, and a lot of guys are buying Bitcoin or bought Bitcoin on 43,000. So my buy position on 42,500 did not work because a lot of guys here are buying on 43,000. So, and now the next thing is this big support must hold. This big support must hold now, guys. That's very important here for the long term. And if this support is falling to the downside, then I think we have a very big problem, because then it's very possible to see the play out of this shoulder head shoulder. And we can make on the 4-hour time here a parallel channel to the downside like this, and it's very possible to go down here on this down channel here if we are going under this baseline and if we are breaking 42,600. That's so important for the next time or for the weekend. Mostly the weekends are very bloody, guys. I can tell you that. Sunday, bloody Sunday, mostly bloody the weekend. Mostly Monday is pumping. We saw it on all last Mondays, the pumps, and we saw on the weekends very, very, very often here the dump. We can check it here also. Today is the 5th March. And if we take a look about the weekend, this was the, let me take a look about this, 28th of February or 27. And if we are looking like here, 20, here is 28. You can see it here, 27, 28. It was the big dump here to the downside. And you can check this history back again. You will see that these big dumps are always here on the weekend. So, guys, a long video for today, but I would show you here, or it was very important for me to show you this shoulder head shoulder pattern. We maybe see it playing out, and we see here this big downtrends. You know, everything here is red. A downtrend is always red. That are the most important things to watch for me here. One thing, sorry guys, here is the EMA ribbon, very important, and the MA21, very important. And yes, you can see it, we have the short signal on the 4-hour, and yes, you can see we are under this ribbon band. So guys, we are momently bearish on Bitcoin. The good thing is on the 4-hour we are over the middle line. That's a good thing. And you can see it, guys, if you're coming down like this here, we maybe see 44,500 retesting here, because that's also a middle line, and maybe we see a pump from here to the upside. Very possible, very likely to go down now from 47,300 to 44,500 and then pumping up again. If you're breaking through, you know it, shoulder head shoulder, and you know the targets, guys. You are prepared for your next moves. You are prepared for the weekend, and I hope, guys, you make millions. It doesn't matter if you're going short or if you're going long. I wish you guys, you make millions. One thing, guys, the last thing, please, please, please support my 2 channels. I have 2 live streams two live streams on Twitch. The one live stream is named Crypto Trading Informant, and you can see there 9 of the big cryptos: Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, BNB, ADA, XLM, DOT, IOTA, and XRP. And you can see there the live short signals, long signals, buy signals, sell signals, and you can use these signals here for your trading. Very important, please join me on this channel and my other channel, that's my baby here, that's named Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm streaming with this live 24 hours, 7 days a week on Twitch and also on YouTube. A lot of nice guys here. Great Worth is writing here. Empire 4 is writing here. Laishani is writing here. A really, really, really nice community, a little nice community. And please join us here. We are asking your questions. We are answering your questions here. And we are a really nice community here. Join us, guys. So that's it for today. Sorry for the long video, but today it was important for me to show you this. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.